So we've arrived in Kingston, and we're settled in. We've been here for about 4 or 5 hours. It's about 8 o'clock right now, so I got an email saying that the dip was happening at 11 a.m. So that was good. Got confirmation of that. Doing the registration tomorrow at 9:30. So we arrived here at around 2 o'clock, wandered around for about 20 minutes in the cold. Supposedly it was 1 or 2 degrees out there. But with the wind howling, which we can hear through our hotel room as well, because we're sitting right over the water. It's freezing cold out there. I'm bundled up with a hat and jacket and the whole shebang. And yeah, so tomorrow will be a very cold dip in Lake Ontario. But yeah, so I'm getting nervous. It's 13 hours away, and I think I'm starting to sink in a bit, but I think I'm still living in a little bit of denial as well. So but yeah, so tomorrow, one polar plunge dipper going in. Signing off.
Is it your first time? It's our first timer as well. You want us to say anything special about you? Is it an honor to be last? Getting your instructions. Anything you want to say?
Last words.
Last words? Yeah, your last words.
Ready?
Yeah, ready.
All right, here we go. Our final jump for the morning. 3, 2, 1, jump! Beautifully done. Excellent work. How about a big round of applause once again for all our jumpers?
Don't forget to,
Great
if you
work.
see the red bag.